Welcome to the dpol assembly guide. In the box you will find a frame with its buoy, 5 standard nets, a rubber band, 2 fenders, 2 ropes and the dpol structure with this power cable. Make sure you pass it through the strap holding the port fender and into the small notch at the bottom of the structure. Using the blue plastimo tip supplied, slightly inflate both fenders to make them more flexible. Then thread the fenders from the stern to the bow of the dpol, taking care to leave the electric cable between the structure and the fender on the port side. For both fenders, position the inflation valves aft and upwards to facilitate inflation. For longitudinal adjustment, we recommend about 2 cm between the rear straps and the rounded part of the fenders to optimize the trim of the dpol and the current generated. Then finish inflating using the plastimo tip and make final adjustments. Then attach the 2 mooring lines to the stern or bow of the dpol, depending on the configuration on your ports. Tie a dead turn and a bowline knot. Then place the frame on the ground with the groove facing the sky. Thread the net around it, ensuring that the pins hold it in place. Then secure the net to the frame with the elastic band, using it to compress the net at the bottom of the groove to prevent it from moving, and let the pins do the job. Make sure you don't get fooled like I did by putting the buoy on the right side of the frame to simplify fitting the elastic. Your dpol is now ready.